Chapter 3. Relaxed Pronunciation. Relaxed pronunciation refers to the informal, conversational style of speech where words and sounds are often shortened, simplified, or blended together. Recently, 2016. This type of pronunciation occurs naturally in everyday speech, particularly in casual or fast-paced conversations. Unlike the careful, clear pronunciation typically found in formal settings or language learning environments, relaxed pronunciation tends to prioritize fluency and ease of communication over strict adherence to grammatical or phonetic rules. In relaxed pronunciation, certain sounds might be dropped, syllables reduced, and words contracted, all of which can make the speech sound less formal but more fluent. Native speakers of English often use relaxed pronunciation without being consciously aware of it, which can pose challenge for language learners who are accustomed to hearing or learning standard or formal versions of words and phrases. A characteristic of relaxed pronunciation. Relaxed pronunciation is characterized by several common features. Contraction. In relaxed speech, contractions are used frequently. For example, I'm because I'm, you are because you're, and they have becomes them. Contractions are a key element of casual spoken English and help to speed up communication. Elision, dropping sounds. Elision occurs when certain sounds, especially consonants, are omitted in speech. For example, in rapid speech, the word going to might be pronounced as gonna, and want to becomes wanna. This reduction of sound makes the speech faster and more effortless. Assimilation. In assimilation, sounds change to become more similar to neighboring sounds. For instance, handbag is often pronounced as handbag in casual conversation, with the D sound blending into the following B sound. Reduced vowel sounds of schwa. The schwa sound which is the most common vowel sound in English, is often used in understressed syllables in relaxed speech. For example, the word about might be pronounced as about, where the first vowel is a schwa. With forms of words. Many function words, such as prepositions, articles, and auxiliary verbs, have both strong and weak forms. In relaxed pronunciation, the weak forms are commonly used. For example, "and" may be pronounced as "an" instead of "and", and "can" is often pronounced as "can" in casual speech. B. Examples of relaxed pronunciation. A. Gonna, going to. I'm gonna go now, instead of I'm going to go now. B. Wanna, want to. Do you wanna come, instead of do you want to come. C. Let me, let me see that, instead of let me see that. D. Do know, don't know. I do know, instead of I don't know. E. Gotta, got to. I gotta live, instead of if got to live. This example highlights how relaxed pronunciation often involves compressing words, making them quicker and easier to say in informal situations. C. Importance of relaxed pronunciation in communication. Relaxed pronunciation is an essential part of what are you going to do, but in conversation, they might hear what you're gonna do, which can sound completely different. Furthermore, relaxed pronunciation often involves idiomatic expressions and colloquials that are not commonly found in textbooks. This can make it challenging for learners to keep up with informal everyday English. In conclusion, relaxed pronunciation is an integral aspect of conversational English, characterized by contraction, sound reduction, and the blending of words. While it makes speech more efficient and natural, it can pose challenges for non-native speakers due to the informal nature of these changes. Mastering relaxed pronunciation, however, is essential for improving both speaking fluency and listening comprehension in real-world English interaction. Familiarity with this aspect of pronunciation helps learners navigate casual conversation with greater confidence and ease. D. The impact of relaxed pronunciation on understanding. Relaxed pronunciation can significantly impact the way we understand spoken English, especially in everyday conversation. In natural, fast-paced speech, speakers often shorten, reduce, or natural spoken English and plays a key role in helping conversation flow more smoothly. It allows speakers to communicate efficiently, especially in informal settings where speed and ease of communication are more important than clarity of our precision. Understanding relaxed pronunciation is crucial for non-native speakers because it is commonly used in everyday conversation, movies, TV shows, and even casual business settings. For language learners, being familiar with relaxed pronunciation is improved listening comprehension and makes it easier to follow conversations between native speakers. Additionally, using relaxed pronunciation can help learners sound more natural and fluent in casual speech, as it aligns with how English is commonly spoken in real-life situations. One challenge of relaxed pronunciation for learners. One of the main challenges of relaxed pronunciation is that it can make speech harder to understand, especially for those who are learning English as a second language. Since many sounds are reduced or omitted, learners might find it difficult to recognize familiar words in their relaxed forms. For example, a learner might be taught the first blend sounds to make communication more efficient, while relaxed pronunciation makes conversation flow more smoothly for native speakers. It can also present challenges for listeners, particularly those who are not accustomed to the informal variations of speech. Understanding relaxed pronunciation is crucial for effective communication, but it can also lead to misunderstandings when listeners are unable to identify words or phrases that have been altered. This section explores both the benefits and the difficulties associated with relaxed pronunciation and how it influences comprehension in different contexts. 1. Benefits of relaxed pronunciation in communication. Relaxed pronunciation serves an important function in facilitating faster and more natural communication. In informal conversation, native speakers tend to prioritize fluency over clarity, often skipping or modifying certain sounds to make speaking easier. This is especially helpful in situations where quick responses are needed, such as in casual exchange or social interaction. Some benefits include improved fluency by reducing the effort needed to pronounce every sound clearly. Relaxed pronunciation allows conversation to progress more quickly and smoothly. Native speakers can exchange information without the interruption of slow, deliberate speech. More natural sound. Relaxed pronunciation helps speakers sound more natural and less formal in everyday speech. People tend to use contraction, predicate forms, and elision to elegant with the relaxed tone of the conversation. For native speakers, this benefits enhance communication, making it more efficient. However, for non-native speakers or learners, the use of relaxed pronunciation can create a barrier to understanding. 2. Challenge of relaxed pronunciation for non-native speakers. For non-native speakers, relaxed pronunciation can be difficult to follow and understand because it often differs from the clear, formal pronunciation typically taught in language classes. M. Fatima and Dewi 2019. The frequent reduction of sound, use of contraction, and bending of words in relaxed speech can lead to confusion, especially if the listener is unfamiliar with. These partners' common challenges include reduced clarity. Relaxed pronunciation can make it harder to distinguish between words, especially when sounds are dropped or altered. For example, a phrase like "What did you do?" may be pronounced as "What I do," which might not be immediately recognizable to a learner. Increased ambiguity. When sounds are reduced or omitted, it can become difficult to understand the exact meaning of a sentence. For instance, phrases like gonna, going to, or wanna, want to can sound unfamiliar and cause confusion if learners expect the full forms. Difficulty with new sounds. Non-native speakers might also struggle with identifying sounds that are not pronounced in their native language. For example, the schwa sound, which is common in relaxed pronunciation, can be hard to detect because it is often understood and subtle. 3. The role of context in comprehension. Context plays a crucial role in helping listeners make sense of relaxed pronunciation. Even if a listener misses certain sounds or words due to elision or contraction, the surrounding words and the general meaning of the conversation can provide clues that aid understanding. For example, if someone say, "I'm gonna head out now," a listener may be able to infer that gonna means going to based on the context of leaving. For non-native speakers, learning to rely on context becomes an important skill when dealing with relaxed pronunciation. This involves developing a strong sense of situational awareness and understanding the overall flow of a conversation even if individual words are unclear. 4. Misunderstandings caused by relaxed pronunciation. Relaxed pronunciation can lead to misunderstandings, particularly when listeners misinterpret reduced forms or blend sounds with other words. Arathusa 2019. Some common examples include contraction, confusion, misunderstandings can arise when contractions are mistaken of different words. For instance, he will might be confused with heel, the back part of a foot, especially if the listener is unfamiliar with the contracted form. Omitted sounds. When sounds are omitted, listeners might struggle to recognize the word. For example, I'm just gonna make sounds like I'm just gonna. When the sound is just barely audible or missing, this can make it difficult to parse the meaning of the sentence. Sound blending. When sounds from different words blend together, it can result in new unfamiliar pronunciations. For instance, did you often sounds like dija or wacha. For what are you? These blended forms might be difficult to understand for those who are not as accustomed to them. 5. Overcoming challenge of relaxed pronunciation. To overcome the challenge posed by relaxed pronunciation, listeners and listeners can develop strategies to improve their comprehension in everyday conversation. Exposure to real-world speech. One of the most effective ways to get comfortable with relaxed pronunciation is through exposure to authentic English speech, such as listening to native speakers in casual settings, watching movies or TV shows, and engaging in conversation. This helps learners familiarize themselves with how words are reduced or altered in context. Practice listener skills. Focused listener practice can help learners become more attuned to the reduced sounds and patterns of relaxed pronunciation, engaging in exercise that involve identifying contraction, elision, and weak forms in speech can improve their ability to recognize words even when they are spoken informally. Learning common periods and contraction, understanding the most frequently used contraction and reduced forms can greatly enhance comprehension. By familiarizing themselves with periods like gonna, wanna, gotha, and other common reduction, learners will find it easier to understand relaxed speech. Relaxed pronunciation is a natural and common feature of spoken English, especially in informal conversations, while it offers benefits in terms of fluency and ease of communication for native speakers. It can present significant challenge for non-native speakers. The reduction of sounds, contraction, and blending of words can make understanding relaxed speech difficult, leading to misunderstandings or confusion. However, by improving listening skills, becoming familiar with common etiquette forms, and using context to aid comprehension, non-native speakers can overcome this challenge. Mastering relaxed pronunciation is key to understanding real-world English and engaging in more natural, fluid conversation.